go. Okay, because we're going to start with some reviews. So do you think we could do rondo?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready. Nice strong ending. Good job. Okay. You could open it up for a minute. Let's just look at a couple of things. Could you play the right hand of that to the end of line 1? So when you did the hands together, it was a little broken up, like that. It had some jumps. Now the left hand, as it goes down there, you want to make sure that as that's happening, this is not going to jump. You might need to come off in the left hand to reach that, or you might not. Can you try that hands together? See what happens. Good, and you don't need to hold your pinky in your left hand at all there. Just let go, just let go. Now, we need more right hand tone there. Even though I know it says piano, we don't want this to be what the audience or what we hear, right? We want to hear the nice melody. Nice, nice. Let's do that about 3 more times. Just keep listening to what you're doing there. Joining. There's that little hiccup in the right hand right here. Careful. And we just have to let up right there, right? Nice. Again. Good. Big. Good. Good, Lynn. Good, Lynn. Okay. So let's have that. Let's roll one next. This is going to be one job. That's just a short job. See what we get.
5.
Oh, 5 is good. Okay. Measure 4. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. Hands together. It has to be because even though it's the right hand that was hiccuping, it only happens when it's hands together. So we're just going to say legato and bigger tone in the right hand.
Okay.
Yeah, no hiccups. Okay. Let's also just check that top line on the second page. Just a little slower like that. Let's see what happens. That last left hand goes not staccato and can't let go to the last note. Right there. Right. Okay, so if we had, let's see if we did this. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's try this. Okay, left hand first. So with counting, you're going to count with me. So how many beats? We got 6 in a measure, right? How many beats does the first one get?
2.
2. And then, so that's 1, 2, and then 3, 4 is off, right?
Yeah.
Rest. 5, 6, we play, yeah. So there's kind of a pattern I see here, right? 2, down for 2, up for, hold for 2 counts, up for 2, play for 2, hold for 2, up for 2, play for 2, hold for 2, up for 2, right? And except the last measure
is just hold.
Yeah,
and
hold for
then
2.
Hold for 2, and then 1B, and then hold for 2, and the rest.
Exactly. Okay, so let's count out loud as we play this left time. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. That one's hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Play that. Ready? Sorry, just that last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Good. I'm gonna go down a notch just a bit here because this isn't about speed. This is about doing the right counts. Okay. 1, 2. Ready again. The whole line. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Right hand. 1, 2. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 and. Okay. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Good, Lynn. Okay. Here's your job. So this is at 120 to the metronome. This is going to be just a hands. Well, you could try hands together, but I mostly want you to count out loud.
So it's more of a hand separate.
More hands separate. If it gets really easy in a few days and you want to try it together, I'll put a question mark when I send this to you. You can, okay? But your job will be at 120. That means an eighth note is getting a tick because it's going, we're counting 6 beats in every measure. So we have to count out loud. And we're going to make sure about that last measure. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Makes sense? Okay, so this is just a review, but we're going to make sure we've got all that right. Count out loud. All right, and I'll check that. Okay, you pick one more. It could be minuet, one, arabesque, or limpid. Limpid, okay. Left pedal down, left pedal. Repeat. Lovely. Oh, Lynn, I liked your, you were not looking at the music, you were so confident. That's good. So you know what? You don't even, when you play a review, if you don't even use it, just close it up, because you had it, you knew it. Your pedal, yeah, just, you were, sorry, I should have checked that. Don't forget that, otherwise good. Just remember it goes down. At the very end, I want your feet and your hand before you lose your body. So, up, 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 up. And then you make them up. Try that. Up. Yeah. Don't look at me. Do it again. You're performing. Okay, your back is going back before your feet are coming off the pedal. Watch me, watch me. And then move. Okay, so pedals, hand, because there's a to rest, pedals, move. Nope, do it again. Don't move your back at all till your feet are off. Feet. There you go. Yes. Your performance is going right to the end of when this is off. Okay, so this is one of the things that's hard when there's pedal stuff. Some songs you'll find when you get to book like 5 and 6 and 7, we have some songs that end with a really long wait. You know, and you cannot lose your body when your pedal's down, even if your hands are here. The song is still on, right?
So your body has to go back right after your feet come.
That's right. So imagine if you were at a concert, okay, so we're at a recital and I play this.
They just hold it there.
Right, and the song is still going, right? And the audience will not clap, even though I've lost all my body, right? They will clap when that's over, right? So you're kind of in charge. You're in charge of what you want your audience to do. You can, have to.
So you can just rest right after your song's completely done.
After everything's done, not when your feet are still on. Yeah, exactly. Okay, that was good. No, I think it's a good review for you. So I'm going to keep going back to these reviews. Maybe we'll do the other ones next time. Okay, so we don't lose anything. Okay. Let's have a look. You are going to show me Bagatelle.
Yeah.
Memorizing 20 to 42. Let's have a look here at that. So we knew that section really well. How did it go in that section? Better?
Yeah, a bit better.
Bit better? Okay, so you're going to show me. Okay, left hand first. Double P again to there, so we'll watch the counts. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1. Rest. Pedal. Rest. There we go. And right hand, same spot. That was a lot better for left hand. Right hand from 20. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Do you know how many times that happens?
You wrote it down 9.
9, right. Okay, so you're going to count, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we are done. That helps to know, right, how many?
Also, so does it go like 3, 2, 3, 1 with your finger?
So I always switch back and forth. 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Like, I don't know, it doesn't say to do it again and again, but I think that's the idea. Or else, you can do 2, 3, 2, 3. What do you do?
2, 3, 2.
That's okay, as long as you can really manage it without it bumping anywhere. It's okay, you can do that.
Okay.
Yeah, now let's see it together, same part. sharp, low G sharp, and keep your right hand going, and rest, and pedal, left pedal, wrong one, Lily, shake your, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, and 2, now you slow it down, and right, better, so. Okay, let's go to measure, whatever that is, 27, where this starts, so I want you to show me this. First notes. You got the G. Okay, so right, G, and then, right, G, and then G. Just show me that. Right, we gotta get comfortable with moving up, and then, okay, let's just do that much, because you need to know what's staccato, what's not. Up, up, up. Again. Yes, do that again, you got it. Yes, and then long one. Then jump, jump. Yes, okay, now do those two measures because that's really the main thing. Jump, jump, jump. Yep. Again. Don't forget your left hand. Up, 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 up. Jump, jump. And then you have your. There you go. That's it then. Okay. If you have that. I'm just doing it over and over and over. It's that pinky every time that has to ring, right?
So it's just like these 4 measures keep playing out.
Yeah, I kind of do that as a practice because that is hard. This is a hard spot. So I think you just need to sit there and go over those a whole bunch of times so it's easy. Right? That's all. And my left hand is very busy. Right hand just sort of isn't as busy, right? It just does that with the left hand. It is in and out and octave and then in and out.
Starting from here, the left hand does a lot of work.
It is a lot of work, and it's a lot of thinking kind of until you, that's why that spot, I'm going to make this a job, okay? So now that you got it correct in the correct notes and everything, so this is 28 and 29, okay? So hands together a lot of times. Let's see what you got. Hands together, those 2.
5 plus my age
Okay, add that up.
equals 13 times.
Ah,
12.
12 times, okay? So, yes. Yeah, so if you do that, and then you can put the whole thing together again, that will be your hard part, right? This part, now that you understand it, this part is not bad, right? Sorry. And most of that is staccato anyway, but once you get to some of it holding, some of it not holding, right? That's where it's a little trickier, and plus you've got that left hand busyness. So I would like to hear all hands together next, but really work on that. So every day try to do 12, even 10 would be great if you have okay? It's a short job. It takes like a second, 2 seconds.
So like for like one of these, just takes like 1 or 2 seconds.
Probably, right? And then so it would be a very short, under a minute job for sure.
Probably under 30 seconds.
But it might be. Should we try it? I'll do it.
Okay.
You time. Let's see. Do you think you can? Let's see. Put it on my. I'll do it on my timer on my watch because it's if it works. Hang on. Might not. Because I haven't done a stopwatch. Oh, here we go. Okay, so can you count? I'm going to do 10. You count. So I need to see it out of the corner of my eye. Ready? Okay. No, don't count. Count how many times. That's 2. 3. Okay. 22 seconds. But I went faster than you made, right? That's fine, however you do it. But see what I mean? It's a pretty short job.
Yeah.
You just do a whole bunch. Okay, moving over, go over to Gavotte for a minute. Let's see. Get that off there. Gavotte, last time we said phrase 1, gentle at the end. Don't forget your flats. Sections A and B all have separate. Okay, so let's play ABA, right? Can we do like ABA? I'm going to play both parts. You play your right hand first. Pay attention to your phrases, like how we talked about gentle and down, ups, down, ups, down, ups. Okay? Ready to go. We won't do repeats right now. Keep going. Keep them light. Ah! So just like this one. Da, da, da. You have to use your wrist. You cannot come off that without letting go beautifully like a float. Here it comes. Oh, I didn't see your wrist. Da, da, dee, 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 dee. Okay, so here's what I mean, man. And then roll. Your turn. Nice. And then down and roll. Roll off. Whoop, roll up. Down and, you know what? I actually think you need to start coming up with your wrist before you even play the note. Watch. Start. Off, right? Da, da, da. It's too loud on your thumb. Yes. Bigger, bigger, medium, and I'm rolling already because if I don't, that will happen. Tip of your thumb. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, there is time for this in this piece. There's time for that. Watch. See? Okay, play that right hand one more time. Sorry. Stop, Billy. Keep going. Do that right hand a few times. Right. Okay, do it again. Now keep going after that. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. And then this one is, yeah. How do we do that one when we have to go quickly? So you have to just make it very quiet and a quick lift and go. Not this. Right? So if it's too loud, it'll sound like a big bump. Okay, so that is your job for right hand when you have those beautiful endings. When you have the staccato stuff, it has to be nice and light. It's not, okay, so really little.
This is like the kind of the opposite of bagatelle.
Mm-hmm. Okay, something happened in there. What happened? Show me. So start on the B section. Oh, see, lighter than that. There you go. Da, 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 B flat, C, D, C, no, D, B flat, and then oh, there's one change note at the end. See the E? Yep. heavy? Da 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 dum. D, D, D. Right, because it shows you. We talked about that. Yeah. Okay. Start there. 5, 2. Watch the fingering. F on the bottom. F on the bottom. 3, 4. 3, 2. Or 3, 1, 3, 1. 3. 3. Hop. Okay. Try it again. Oh, we forgot the F. Watch your fingering. 3 again. Lots of 3s. Stretch. Stretch. 3 again. 3 again. Off. Get off. No. Yeah. 3 again. 3. Yeah. Okay. So this is 3, 3, 3, and then you got 3, 1, 3, 1. 3. Yeah. Lots of them in there. Okay. Left hand. So I'm gonna check. We'll talk about this in a minute. I'm gonna check that section again, but next week. Let's just do left hand. I'll just do left with you. Ready? Go. Holding. You're at the T2. Yeah, check the top note. It says, okay, check again, Lynn. The bottom note is what?
G.
No, you're in the second beat of the measure here. Your word says 2 and 5. Right, you already played the 1, 3 thing. Yeah, what's the bottom note? Top note is G.
C.
Yes, big stretch. Stretch. Okay, can you do the last from 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, over, down, up, yeah, up, da, da, T, T, da, pop, pom, go, da, 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 up, up, da, da, da. Where does that go when I measure 9? We talked about this too. Nope, where does it go? Look at the treble clef. It goes up. What's that? That measure 9. Right. Oops. That's right. Right. F. Bum, bum. So hold the F. And those are not holds. Don't hold that one either. Right staccato, then you just go into G, A. I think you need to write in some flats because you're forgetting where they are, right? It's minor. So if you leave this out, that's major, right? Flats, flats, flats. So, this up, and I'm gonna get you this week to go through with the pencil and write, so, for example, okay, if I'm looking at line 1, I'm gonna put the B flat, the E flat, you have to go through everything, where are the flats, right? And then maybe the same thing on the next line, where are the flats,
Just find every single flat.
In the left hand, I don't think it seems to be as bad as in the right, so you need to check. Okay, so can you play this? That's one of the main patterns, so 2, 3, 1, 4, yeah. Right, so do it again, it's very legato, keep it very legato. And then the next one down underneath it, similar. Try that one, it's a little different ending. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, 4. Hold the doggy knee on the bottom as you go. 2, thumb down, awesome. And okay, so that is, okay, making sure of the beginning, which also helps you here. Let's check this part, my turn. That much. T, 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 T. Jump, jump, hold, jump, jump. Good, exactly. Then, after that, then we start on these easy legato tas. This is a T, T though at the end. T, T, while you hold the A. Okay, so start from the G. 4, up 4. Touch the C and let go. So like a, right, kind of like how we did up there. Okay, and then similar. Okay, so let's do 13. This is the same as the above little part. 13, 14. Get up there. 13. It's the same as, yeah. Right, do it again. Hold the thumb. 1, 2. 1, 2, thumb on D, thumb on D, thumb on D. Finger 2 slides in. And then, hold that. That's right. Okay, so. So, 1, 2, 2, then done. Right. Okay. Okay, I don't think we should add the C section yet until this is easy. But that was what I was going to do this week. So I think you need to make that a little easier before we add the next part. Then another week we'll say getting A, B, separate, so you're going to write in the flats, for left hand especially, A and B sections separate, and I will check again. Okay, so just before okay, let's check Menuetto 28 to 35, and then next time we will work a little more on sonata 2 piano. Okay, 28 to 35. Right. Okay. How did you do this? Mostly separate or together?
I did it mostly separate and like a few times together.
Mostly. Okay. So then let's do separate. Ready, go. Oh, we're starting from. Right? Aren't we? Or am I in the wrong spot? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in the wrong spot. You want to be here. I was behind you there. Okay, so ta-da! Ready, go. Rest. Stop. Good. Very good. Switching now. Of course, when you do this, tiny, 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 and keep them really steady. Go. Hold your pinky. Good. Stop. Now this time, can you play them in chords? Go. 1, 2. Really soft. Music's not important. Good. Okay, so now I want you to do ones for me. Okay, with blocked chords. Ta-dum. So play that. Change it up. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, pencil. I want you to circle the high A's.
Already have a pencil.
Okay, circle the high A's. Make sure you notice, if they're not already circled, ta-da, that we do not let go of those. Hang on. So as long as you can, till you have to go to that. So it doesn't sound like that. The sound doesn't go away. Okay, so next time when I'm going to hear all of your B section hands together.
Okay.
Because now that you've got that, that fit well, I want to hear it all. So that would start at down there, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Here.
Right. Yep. And I think you should show me right to the A again. I know your A section is pretty good, so we'll check on that. Is the C part is not hands together, is it?
No.
Okay, so we should talk about the C next time. Okay. And 2 p.m. the sonata. Next. All right. Good. How about? Then you're only 7.
I'm 8.
You're 8. Right. I keep thinking you're gonna be
9 in February.
right. Because you're doing pretty amazing for 8. Okay, so I'm going to send you all those jobs, and then make sure you do everything in the small little ones. So you don't have to do everything. You have to do just the working jobs. Okay, so you fix those little spots. Because when you add it, hang on, did I stop that?